Hello guys! Meron magandang flower rito. Yan. Para sa birthday girl. Ayan. Happy birthday! At eto pa, yung isang flower guys. Maganda to. Anong tawag dito? I think this is dahlia. Dahlia with pink roses. Ang ganda guys. Yan ay tunay na tunay. Very fresh flowers. Hindi pa siya masyado nag-bloom. Ganda no guys. Siya ay 1 day old na. Maybe in 5 days pa siya matutuyo. Ayan. Ang ganda diba guys? Very very beautiful color pink roses. And this is lavender color. Dahlia. I think this is dahlia. Dahlia. This is lavender. Ayan. Parang pink. Parang siyang pink. Okay. Thank you for watching.